Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my.
Good morning. Today is Wednesday, and right now I'm just doing a matcha mask. I'm actually stuck in the house because, as you guys know, there is a storm headed our way, and I actually had plans today. Me and my little sister were going on a little lunch date, but that was quickly canceled. I was in the bed all day yesterday because Auntie Flo had me down bad, and I didn't feel like doing anything. Okay, I got some things done yesterday, but for the most part I was in the bed all day long, and I'm trying to get out of the habit of feeling guilty when I take breaks. Take your breaks, sis. You need your rest. So I did that, and this morning I'm feeling a little bit better. Y'all don't mind my jeans. I just washed them and let them air dry behind the door. I just put them on one of my little towel hooks. But this is a matcha mask. Let me see. So I'm supposed to leave this on for about 15 to 20 minutes. So thank you to everybody that's been checking up on me. So far we're okay. Nothing too scary. Nothing too scary has happened yet. So everything is all good. I'm getting ready to fix myself a cup of coffee, and I guess I'm just gonna chill out. I needed to go to UPS. Y'all hear the rain? Y'all probably can't hear it, but I needed to go to UPS to return some tops that I got from Nasty Gal, because they actually sent me the wrong sizes. Cause I'm like, I must be tripping. I can't fit a size 8. Like, something is really going on. So it's a UK 8. So I need to return those. That was on my to-do list for today, was to go to UPS, but now I can't go because it is raining cats and dogs outside. It's kind of like stop and go rain. Like it'll rain really hard and then it'll stop for a few minutes. If you guys are wondering where I got my little waffle robe, it's from Amazon. I'll have the link in the description box. So yeah, we'll be just in the house all day. So I'm gonna track the storm for y'all because all of y'all keep checking on me. I appreciate y'all so much. So I know a lot of y'all want to see what's going on. I have to take all of the stuff off of the balcony. I'm not gonna do that just yet. I'm gonna wait for Tony, and then he'll tell me, you know, when it's time for us to start pulling all of that stuff from off the balcony. I think the plants might be okay. I'm not too sure, but the patio furniture is so light, so we might have to pull that in. And I'll see what Tony says about the plants. But oh gosh, I hope it's no lizards or nothing like that in those plants, because I'm gonna freak out. So I'm gonna be in the eye of the storm for y'all, okay? Not for real, I ain't gonna be in the eye of the storm, but I'm gonna show y'all a little something. When things start getting crazy, I'm gonna vlog it all. When the lights go out, I'm gonna vlog it all. Let's pray that the lights don't go out though. I'm gonna vlog it all, okay? So y'all, I had to change out my collagen gummies because y'all remember the Ollie peach rings that I was getting? They were collagen gummies as well that I bought from Target. Those things were so good, y'all, I'm telling you. And I can't find them. I can't find them in Target, and I can't find them in Walmart. So I had to try these new ones. So this is Nature Made collagen gummies. They taste okay. You only have to take one, and they're the lemon flavor, which I don't mind, but I'm not crazy about, but the collagen, the Ollie collagen gummies were so good. I went out and bought some peach rings because the flavor on those gummies were like crazy good. So they probably took them off the market because people was eating more than what they were supposed to. I'm telling y'all, they were so good. But these have vitamin C and zinc. So yeah, this is what I've been taking lately for my collagen. And then I still take the same Ollie women's multivitamin and my probiotic.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550.
So here's the tops that I have to take back. It's these right here. They're so cute, but they're too small. So I have to take these back and we'll send them back. And this is the black one. They're kind of like the same style, but they're made a little bit different. So this is the top. I was so hurt. So yeah, that's the black one, and then this is the white one. This one has a zipper. The black one doesn't. It just has like the little ties in the, oh, it does have a zipper at the, no, it has buttons instead of the zipper. So yeah, I was supposed to return these today, so hopefully once the rain lightens up a little bit, I can take them back. So we'll just have to see how that goes. Quick update on the Uva stocks because I get so many questions, and I did tell you guys that once I added my extra 3, I was going to show you guys how it turned out, and they look so nice. So I have 12 stocks in here because y'all know I started off with 6 and then I ordered 6 more, but they sent 3 the first day, and then I had to wait a couple of days and they sent the other 3, so I have a total of 12, and they just look so pretty, so nice and full, and I love it. So I will go ahead and put the link for you so it's easier for you guys to find. But yeah, they just look so pretty. I just love how nice and full they are. It looks so good. And I don't know, these look better than the ones that I got a year ago, which you probably can't see them because I got the old ones in the back. But just the color just looks so pretty, and just the way that they fall is so much better than the other ones to me. I don't know, I might just be tripping just because they're new, but they do look really good. So yeah, I'll have the link in the description box below. So yes, y'all, I don't know what we're gonna do today because I'm stuck in the house. I'm gonna be pretty bored, so y'all gonna be stuck right here with me. I'll probably do a little bit of cooking and just chilling out. We watched a movie last night. We watched Awake. Now if you guys have not seen that movie yet, go ahead and walk away from the screen right now because I'm gonna do a little spoiler. So the movie was whack, okay? The movie was whack. I was into it, like trying to, you know, I was ready for them to tell us why everybody was awake, like what was the reason that this happened. And I don't know if I missed it, I doubt I did, but they never said why, and the movie just went off, and it was so stupid. So I would have enjoyed it if they would have had like a good reason why everybody was awake, and then they came up with a cure, but none of that ever happened. So I'm just like, it was just weird. So I'm still watching Manifest. That's just, I mean, it's good, but to me, it's a little predictable because I'm one of those people, like I can kind of figure out what's gonna happen, and I do that all throughout that show. So it's, I mean, it's not a bad show. It's pretty interesting, but again, it's predictable for me. So I'm a little bored. I'm gonna stop talking y'all to death, I guess, y'all. I don't know. Look who joined me. Also, she done rode in the eye of the storm.
Just me.
To be with her sister.
Now we're expecting it to shift more towards the west, but we are still going to see that heavy rain.
Yes, we are, and that's where we're going to pick up the story here. Is that rain shield is now starting to expand, but I promised that at last check that we're going to put the focus into southeast Georgia as what we're going to cover for Florida. At this point, really isn't much to track because it's just a spread of rainfall, but here we can track what would be.
All right, y'all, so the rain has slowed down. Excuse the way I look. I just threw something on really quick. The rain has slowed down, so what I'm gonna do now is make a run for it at the UPS store, and then I want to try to probably go get like some Chinese food or something, because we're starving and I really don't feel like cooking because I don't feel like standing up that long. So I'm hungry again. I had that little small pizza, which we split, so I'm kind of hungry. So I'm gonna go grab some Chinese food, drop these clothes off, and I'll be back in the house. So roll with me. All right, y'all, so we're at the UPS place. It is right over there, but this is all the rain that we're getting right now. So it was raining. Let me turn this off. So it was raining so hard this morning, and now this is all we're getting. So I'm gonna run in here really quick and take this stuff back. All right, y'all, so we just got back. We ended up going to the nail salon to get Khalila's nails repolished because her nails chipped. So she got her nails polished. They look real cute. Let me show you how they look. Here's her nails. They look so cute. And y'all know she works in the medical field, so she has to have her nails pretty short. But they look so good. And this was her first time. Uh-oh, this one look.
What?
Oh, I thought I saw. Which one was it? Oh, okay. But this was her first time trying this guy, and she really liked it. So now we can eat our food, because we ordered our food before we went to the nail salon. So she went to Sunny Nails, if you guys are familiar with that nail salon. But let me show y'all the food. So I got shrimp egg roll for me and little Tony. Huh? In your bag.
Yeah, oh, okay. Yeah.
And then I got some regular white rice. Little Tony got shrimp fried rice. I love when they come in these little boxes. It just reminds me of like the old school way. Some shrimp and broccoli. But I like to have mine with white rice. I just did the shrimp and broccoli cooked in brown sauce. That's like the key. And then Kalila got the same thing. The shrimp and broccoli, white rice, shrimp egg roll. Twinning. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna use my little black bowls, plates, whatever you want to call it. I got this one from Home Goods. I get so many questions about it, but you can also find them at Target. So I'm gonna just put this in the bowl first. That should be enough. And then you can get all the juices and everything. I'm telling y'all, the seasoning on this is so good. Khalil, you like it?
I didn't try it yet.
Then I'll save the rest for later. I should put a little bit of sesame seeds on it, but storm update.
Whereas tropical storms, they kind of pick backyards and they pick neighborhoods with a tornado or an extreme rainfall or the combination of both. So as a tropical storm, and that's what we're tracking right now, you can see that Elsa is located right about in through here.
Don't take it personal, but I ain't lying. I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number